chart, $70 per barrel is going to act as a very strong support for Brent crude, and we are expecting it to move towards $85 chart.
Right. And that brings me to the second question, that even if we see stability of the foreign capital flows, how vulnerable do you think is the rupee at this point if the Brent crude oil prices remain elevated, given that the tensions, especially around the Strait of Hormuz, remain unresolved?
At this point of time, we are expecting that the crude oil prices can move towards 100 plus kind of level. There are a couple of reasons for the same. One is the elevated tension at the Strait of Hormuz. Second, if we see globally, the strategic reserves, which most of the countries holding, is at lowest level. So these are the 2 points which will bring the crude oil prices towards 100.
Now let us discuss outlook on rupee. In the current situation, most of the factors like higher crude oil prices, rising dollar index, and RBI short position, most of the factors are suggesting that rupee will be under pressure. On the technical chart, 95.80 to 96 is going to act as a strong resistance. We are expecting it to break soon. Once it breaks 95.80 to 96 kind of a level, then next 50 to 80 paisa momentum will come on a very fast and furious manner. So broadly speaking, we are expecting rupee to move towards 96.30 to 96.50 kind of levels.
Yes, given the headwinds that persist at this point, Mr. Pabari, in your opinion, what is your outlook as far as rupee is concerned in the near term, say the next 3 to 4 months for that matter?
For next couple of months, we are expecting rupee to move towards 97.5 to 98 kind of a level. And at this point of time, what we are suggesting to importers is that any dips to be taken as an opportunity to hedge their imports. And for exporters, we are suggesting that they should not be in a rush to increase their hedge ratio. In fact, they can keep a stop loss of 95.5, 95.80 and wait for higher levels close to 97.5 to book their forwards.
Yes, sir.